Presenting Crompton Durolite Mixer Grinder. With an 800-watt powertrain motor for longer uses, with 5 years motor warranty and 2 years product warranty. Has 3 multi-purpose jars: chutney jar, grinding jar, liquidizing jar. Comes with a warranty card and user manual. The grinder has a glossy metallic finish for easy cleaning along with a shock-proof durable body. Ergonomically designed knobs for efficient controls and superior motor vent X technology for motor stability. Jar capacity in Durolite is more than a conventional jar that lets you grind larger quantities with ease. Its single leaf blades are easy to clean and serves multiple purposes. Lump-free grinding. That indeed is the secret of fine taste.